Hello friends, so welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make multi-millet dosai. This dosai with a bowl of sambar and vadai is one of the easiest and healthy breakfast recipe. Very easy and an instant recipe, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixing bowl, add 1 tablespoon of foxtail millet, a tablespoon of little millet, a tablespoon of Kodo millet, a tablespoon of Banyard millet, a tablespoon of horse gram, a tablespoon of pearl millet, a tablespoon of Urad Dhal and 1 cup of Idli Rice. To this add sufficient amount of water and quarter teaspoon of Fenugreek. Close it with a lid and let this rest for 5 hours. After 5 hours, let's open and check. The millet are well soaked and ready, so drain off the water and clean wash it. Transfer the millet to a mixer jar. To this add half cup of water and grind it to a very fine paste. Now transfer the batter to a mixing bowl. Close it with a lid and let this ferment for another 8 more hours. After 8 hours, the batter is well fermented. To this add quarter teaspoon of salt and quarter cup of water. Mix it well and our multi-millet dosa batter is now ready. Let's check out how to make the dosa. Heat a dosa tawa and pour in a ladle full of dosa batter and spread it using the same ladle. Drizzle some ghee on top and let this cook for 1 minute. After a minute, it's well done and ready, so let's now remove it. Serve it nice and hot with some sambar and vadai and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy and an instant recipe with no compromise in the regular taste of the dosai. So do try this multi-millet dosai recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.